Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm here with episode 3 of retrying products. As promised, if you look at my last video, I'm here with an eyeshadow palette I want to retry. It's the Patrick Ta. This is his major dimension. I think it says rose eyeshadow. I think there was the first palette, now this is the second palette. Now, it's only way after I saw rose. Let me look at my Sephora. I think it says, I do not like rosy shades on my eyes, so that alone was a mistake. Major Dimension 2 Rose Eyeshadow Palette. This palette was a whopping $68. I should have brought it back, or I should have done a giveaway with it. But anyway, we will retry it again. You guys have seen this so many times, and I know some of you own it. And as you can see, mine is barely touched. I used it once. I was very regretful that I purchased it. And like I keep saying, like his products, I haven't really had good luck with his products. I know I look crazy. I'm just wearing foundation, concealer, and cream contour. Anyhow, I powdered my eye because I don't even want to attempt the 2 shades in the corner. I really don't like cream bases like for my eye, like this type of consistency. Maybe another time I use it, I'll try it. Okay, so you know I'm not really into shimmers anymore. I've been loving a matte eye, so that too. And this particular shade disappointed me a little bit. For some reason, I mean, I know it's a rose. I thought this was some sort of like an orange shade. It's not really. At least it didn't look, because I put it on my eye and it looked rosy-ish kind of, and I don't know, these type of shades to me do not look good on my eye. I love gold, and this one here had a little bit of like a goldish tone, yes. Let me swatch it. But not so much gold. It's like a light, still has like that rose in it, and I don't like how those shades look on my eye. I was like very annoyed, right? Then the mattes. They don't look on my eye like the way they look in here. How should I be holding this so you guys won't get the glare of the mirror? Okay. The way the mattes look in the palette, my opinion, it doesn't look like that on my eye. Because like this shade right here, these 2 shades especially right here, looked sort of muddy and sort of purple on me. And I don't really like those colors. So let me swatch it. See? Like, oh Lord. See? They sort of look purplish. So I'm so tempted to do a full matte eye with this palette as the retry. So maybe that's how I can like use it, because it's an expensive palette. I didn't do a giveaway with it, so it's too late. So I might as well use it. And oh, I got this. It was an impulse buy during the last Sephora sale. I was at a different Sephora, so I think the lighting threw me off. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So let's just jump into it. So I'm going to try to use like the lighter shades. I'm sorry, but I need to give this a try so that even if I use it and I don't use the shimmers, I can at least get use out of it by using the mattes. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here. And let's see what it does. And I'm going to start by putting it in the corner. See? Very rosy. Oh, I do not like rosy shades on me. So this is rosy. Very rosy. This is going to be a quick video because I'm just going to do my eye on camera. See, and it's like, it's not building up as quickly as like when I use my Makeup by Maria Master Mattes or my Viseart Neutral Mattes. So that looks very pink, right? See, I don't really like pink tones. Let's go over it maybe a little bit with this shade. Let's try this shade on top of that. See what happens. It's going to be a little better. Okay, that deepened it. Okay, it deepened it, right? Okay, it's not looking as muddy as it did the first time I wore it. Maybe because I just went in because I thought the shades was going to pull differently. So even this looks sort of bronze. It looks sort of like a burnt brown, the pan. It's not looking like that on me. I can still see a lot of like berry. I mean, it is berry. I mean, it is rose. I can definitely see the rosy undertones. But it's blending out nicely today, I would say. But I wish it wasn't so rosy. Could you imagine? And it says rose. Alright guys, so I cleaned my brush off, and for the lid, I'm going to go in with this really light shade right here, and I'm probably going to put that also on my brow bone. Yeah, so these are very rosy undertones, and I think I have to get used to it because, like I said, I don't like rosy undertones on my eye, but it's blending out nicely. I'm kind of like changing my mind about like the formula and everything of the mattes. This may have been a mistake for the lid. Okay, but yeah, not bad. This is a little... Okay, it's this shade here I'm putting now on my lid, right? And I thought it would be a little bit more pigmented, like a little bit more... It's sort of have a thin consistency compared to those two that I put in my crease, I think. I don't know. But I think if I use the mattes, for sure. If I use the mattes in this palette, I think I would be able to use it. Because especially since I've been loving a matte eye. Because right now, I don't think it looks bad, right? But you can definitely see the rosy tones. I think if you love rosy tones and stuff like that, you're going to like this. Okay, so I'm feeling a lot better because I think it's blending nicely. That shade I just had to like build up a little bit more, but I think it looks nice. So I'm going to put that same shade on my brow bone as well. Okay, but you see, look at that. It popped more and looked more pigmented on my brow bone than when I was putting it on my lid because I don't think I have to go over it some more like I did. And it's feeling creamier on my brow bone. That's interesting because on my lid, I felt like I had to build it up. But on my brow bone, I don't have to. I liked how that went on my brow bone. Yeah, but my eyes is looking sort of pinky, kind of like pinky rose, right? Yeah, it does look. Well, I can wear my pink blush and stuff and make it like a rose day. So maybe for the inner tear duct, maybe I could put shimmer. I haven't done that in so long. So I'm gonna put this shade right here in my tear duct. I'm feeling better about the matte, so I will definitely reach for this for the mattes. Put a little bit of this right here. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm like over putting shimmer shades. This looks as though I have to wet the brush. It's very like this is almost like a topper, this shade. Oh boy. Yeah, it's almost like a topper, like I have to like build it up. But I'm just gonna put that and that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with lashes, a liner, and see how it looks. But I'm gonna have to be in the mood or to wear these shades because it's so sort of pinkish rose, sort of rosy. And like I said, I don't know if rose tones are flattering on me, but let's put on my lashes and liner and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the rest of my face done. Yeah, so if you like rosy, this is a good palette. I'm not a rosy kind of girl, but I think it looks nice, especially if I do my, I keep my cheeks rosy. I try to keep my lips, everything looking a bit rosy pink. It's going to be cute. But for some reason, I don't think like these shades are flattering on me like on my eyes. But the more I look at it, I like it. I think I can pull Rosy off, right? What do you guys think? I think I can pull it off. And I don't know about the shimmers though, like the shimmer shades, it's just too rosy. So I don't like too much rose shimmer on my eye, but I will play with them. Sometime when I feel like I'm getting back into putting shimmer on my eye. Look at me bringing it down here. Shimmer on my eyes, I'm gonna play with it. But I'm feeling really good about the mattes. I'm gonna be playing with the mattes. I'm gonna play with the mattes, and sometime maybe if I want a really dark, smoky, sultry eye, I'm gonna use this, and I will use this. But I think when I use, oh, it has a cover over. That's cute. I think when I use this, the cream base, I'm just gonna plaster the shimmer over it so it can stick. I think that's maybe why it's there. I don't know. So, okay. I'm glad I gave it a second try. This is the second time I'm trying it. And I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna do this look again. This rosy sort of look, but I think I have to be like in the mood. But for right now, I think it looks cute. Right? So the mattes are good. I think my eye look looks cute. So yeah, I'm gonna reach for it a lot more than I thought I would, and I'm gonna start gingerly playing with the shimmers, but it's cute. And the formula of the mattes, it's nice and buttery. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.